Toshiba brings to you a product of luxury and design. Multi-door with a capacity of 650 liters, a product with huge storage for everyone's needs. This multi-door refrigerator comes in an elegant blue glass finish. State-of-the-art technology meets innovative design with a digital feather touch control on the exterior. This product comes with 3 independent cooling systems in each compartment for fast cooling and avoid cross-contamination. Convert Zone feature transforms one of the freezer compartments to fridge at the touch of a button. The Plasma Plus Pure Deodorizer deactivates bacteria and removes odor to keep food fresh and healthy. 360-degree alloy cooling for fast and uniform cooling. A product stepping with time, a product to capture the evolving market. Toshiba. Details matter.